Hello learners, welcome back. I hope you are doing very good. So, welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy, your guide for mastering ERP with clarity and confidence. After exploring the quality control module, we now move to another important operational module of Lighthouse ERP, which is Weighbridge Management Module. This module plays a vital role in organizations where materials and vehicles are regularly moving in and out of the organization and the premises. Whether it's raw material arriving from suppliers, finished goods being dispatched to customers, or internal material movement, accurate weight measurement is essential for smooth business operations. I hope you agree with that. This is where the Weighbridge modules becomes important. Now let us understand what is Weighbridge module. A weighbridge is a system used to measure the weight of vehicles carrying the materials, right? Now the Weighbridge module in Lighthouse ERP helps organization capture, record, and manages these weighment details efficiently. It supports both inward and outward material movement while maintaining the accurate weigh record for their business transactions. Now let us understand why the Weighbridge module is important. Accurate weigh measurement is important because it directly impacts inventory accuracy, purchase quantities, sales dispatch, billing, good receipt, and business reporting. Manual weight recording can lead to errors and delays. Weighbridge module helps organizations automate these processes by integrating the Weighbridge machine with the ERP systems, reducing manual efforts and improving efficiency. Now the key capabilities. A Weighbridge module provides several useful features which includes online and offline Weighbridge entry, direct integration with electronics Weighbridge machines, linkage with gate entry and purchase or sales orders, weigh slip generations, multiple weighments for different materials, reports and dashboard for monitoring vehicle movement and Weighbridge activities. Now the business applications. This module is useful across many industries which includes manufacturing, trading, steel, mining, constructions, logistics, and process industries. Any business where materials are going, coming, received, dispatched, transferred using vehicles, the Weighbridge module helps maintain accurate operational records. Let's learn how the process works. A typical Weighbridge process follows a simple workflow. A vehicle enters the premises carrying materials. Its weight is captured through the Weighbridge. The weighment is linked with the relevant business documents such as gate, entry, purchase order, and sales orders. Finally, a weigh slip is generated and the information becomes available for future business processes like goods received, sales invoicing, or quality control. Now, let us know what you will learn reading this module. Throughout this module, we will understand different methods of recording weighment, weigh splitting and materials, Weighbridge reopens and dashboards, practical business use of weighment information within Lighthouse ERP. Each topic will be explained step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly manner with practical examples. Now let us recap quickly what we have learned in this video. In this video, we have understood what is Weighbridge module, right? Why it is important for the industries, its key features, business applications, and the overall process flow of Weighbridge management module. Coming to the end of this video, in our upcoming video, we will explore the different Weighbridge processes in detail and understand how they help organizations manage material movement accurately and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment. We will always there to help you. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and let Lighthouse ERP be your partner in business excellence.